Mrs. Merpati was reading a book, but in the fact her eyes were treated. Canary breathed without diligently reminding his friend over to Dara. If you are sleeping, don't forget to read her advice. After advising Mrs. Merpati, Ari flew past the owl, but she was surprised saw the body of Owl shaking. It seemed Mr. Owl was big. When advised Mr. Owl, suddenly the kutilang came over Ari. Don't be pushy to advise residents. They also must have know how to keep their eyes, Kutilang said cutely. Ari was still doing her habit to remind her friend to always maintain eyes health. But that morning Ari was very surprised because when she met with Kuti, Kuti's eyes were red and watery. My eyes are so sore, whined Kuti. Ari observing Kuti's eyes. Oh, I think your eyes are red because of dust. Do you really felt the Kuti? True, I redly sour, replied Kuti some. So do not be put off again. Immediately went to the Dr. Bangau, advised Ari. Arrived at Dr. Bangau. Kuti immediately cried. What can I help you? Asked the Dr. Bangau. I want to check my eyes, sighed Kuti. Your eyes look red and dusty. You might lack hygiene. Well, there I treat. After examining, Dr. Bangau gave eye drop in the affected Kuti eyes. After you got home, you should take care of your eyes, messaged Dr. Bangau. Good doctor, answered Kuti. Thank you, Dr. Bangau. Kuti said we'll say goodbye. Be careful on the road, messaged Dr. Bangau. In the heart, Kuti wanted to see Ari to say thank you.